Welcome to It's Okay to Be a Villain, a podcast about learning to show up unapologetically and love all of you, even the parts they told you to hide. I'm Shay Malone, founder of 360 Citizens, where we help families and professionals understand behavior through a trauma informed, neurodivergent affirming lens.
And I'm Autumn Rain, a creative autistic Black woman who spent a lifetime being told that I was too much, too loud, and too different. But we're done shrinking to make other people feel comfortable.
Here, we unpack what's really behind behavior, from childhood conditioning and cultural pressure to internalized hatred, identity, and how we learn to trade our authenticity for acceptance.
Each week, we'll explore the tension between our inner baby, the part that wants what it wants, and our mother, the voice that tells us to behave, be nice, and stay small.
We'll have real conversations with guests, share stories that challenge the good versus bad myth, and talk about what it means to break free, especially for Black women, men, and neurodivergent folks who were never given the space to be fully human. Because healing isn't. I stepped on
Because
her line.
healing, because healing isn't about being perfect, as you can see. It's about being whole.
Welcome
Welcome.
to
It's okay to be a villain.
Subscribe now and join us as we learn to show up unapologetically and love all of us.